Are you best cheese graters? Cheese graters are a staple in every kitchen, whether you're a casual cook or an experienced chef. Their versatility extends beyond cheese, allowing users to shred vegetables, nuts, and even chocolate with ease. With so many designs and features available, choosing the right cheese grater can be challenging. In this review, we tested and compared 5 popular products. 1. Grater Rotary Cheese Grater. The Grater Rotary Cheese Grater is designed with efficiency and simplicity in mind. With 3 interchangeable blades, it offers versatility for slicing, shredding, and grinding. Made from BPA-free ABS plastic and stainless steel, the grater is lightweight yet durable. Its suction base ensures stability during use, while the detachable parts make cleaning a breeze. The transparent barrel design minimizes clogging, making it easier to shred cheeses, vegetables, and nuts. In terms of performance, the Grater grater does an excellent job with both hard and soft cheeses, as well as vegetables like carrots and zucchini. Product number 2. Cambome Rotary Cheese Grater Hand Crank Cheese. The Cambome Rotary Cheese Grater is a mid-range option that combines functionality with a sleek design. It features 3 blades for coarse and fine shredding, as well as slicing. Made from BPA-free plastic and 430 stainless steel, the grater is safe and sturdy. Its non-slip suction base ensures stability, while the included cleaning brush simplifies maintenance. The grater is compact and easy to store, making it a practical choice for everyday use. This grater performs well with moderately firm cheeses like cheddar and mozzarella, as well as vegetables and nuts. The suction base is reliable on smooth surfaces, but like other models, it may slip on uneven. Product number 3. Zulle Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater 5-Blade. The Zulle Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater stands out with its 5 interchangeable blades, offering unmatched versatility for grating, slicing, and julienning. Made from BPA-free materials and stainless steel, the grater is designed for safety and ease of use. Its reinforced suction base ensures stability, while the food pusher keeps hands away from the blades. The grater also includes a compact storage box to keep the blades organized. In terms of performance, the Zulle grater is highly efficient, shredding cheese and vegetables quickly and evenly. The 5 blades provide more options compared to other models, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Product 4. Suisses Rotary Cheese Grater with Handle. The Suisses Rotary Cheese Grater is a premium option that combines functionality with a stylish retro design. It features 5 well-designed blades for slicing, shredding, and more. Made from 1810 stainless steel and BPA-free materials, the grater is both durable and safe. Its powerful suction base ensures stability, while the sloping barrel design prevents clogging. The grater also includes a blade storage box for added convenience. This grater excels in performance, handling everything from hard cheeses to vegetables with ease. The retro green design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, making it a great gift option. Product 5. Urban Strive Cheese Grater with Container Box. The Urban Strive Cheese Grater is a budget-friendly option that offers surprising versatility for its price. With 4 grating surfaces, coarse, medium, fine, and slicing, it can handle a variety of tasks. Made from 304 stainless steel, the grater is durable and resistant to rust. Its ergonomic handle and non-slip base provide stability and comfort during use. The detachable container is a thoughtful addition for catching and measuring grated food. Despite its low price, the Urban Strive grater performs well for basic tasks. It is particularly effective with hard cheeses and vegetables. However, its box design may be